What's good, AC gang? So as you see in the title below, I'm going to be doing a Temu review. I ordered about I think 10 to 14, maybe 15 items. I don't remember. It was a while ago. It took a while to get here. But I wanted to do an honest review with you guys because everybody that has been doing it, well, not everybody, but a lot of people that has been doing it has been sponsored. And can we really trust a sponsored video? Not always, because sometimes, you just do what they want to hear because you're getting paid or, you're getting something from them. So I'm going to do a realistic one. I'm not getting any sponsorship or anything from this video. It's just my honest review that I wanted to do for you guys and for myself and see what goodies I got and see if it's worth the hype. All right, let's get to this video. All right, so we're about to open this package. One thing I already feel is that they need to work on their packaging just a little bit, but we're not going to complain about it. We're not going to complain about it. Let's see what these items is like. Alright, so starting off, first two things that I see is these scarves that I ordered. Some of these scarves, I have a tendency not to wrap my hair at night, and it's detrimental for naturals to not wear scarves on their head or a bonnet. I'm more of a scarf chick, but either way, I need something. And I also know people use this as a style for like a shirt or whatever. Alright, this actually looks really good. Look. Okay, so far, but it's just this. Let's just keep going. This is really cute. I love the color. It's beautiful. Cute. This is it up close so you guys can see. You can make this a cute top too. I might not be able to, but then I'm a plus size queen over here. But next thing on my list were these slippers. I thought these were so cute when I saw them. It's actually not as bad as I thought. Like, people were saying it's so flimsy and this, that, and the third, but these are not giving yet, because wear and tear, but the soles, they feel fine. This feels good. This feels comfortable. I think this is going to be a win. So far, I like it. I gotta mold them a bit. They're a little, messed up because of the packaging, but other than that, these are really cute, guys. I like them. This is a two-piece legging set that I bought, and it actually feels really good. Like, really good. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I was a little sketchy to buy it online because the stuff looked a little sketchy itself. But right now, so far, from what I'm experiencing, it's feeling good. I feel like it'll fit well. And then it's just like the matching top too. It's like a crop. Plus size, but I love a crop. It feels good. It might be something a little nice. Let me find out Temu is up there with Shein and stuff. And Fashion Nova. Let me find out. Let me not get too hyped yet. But nah, for real. On the real, this is really nice so far. Everything feels good. The quality feels good. And I ain't BSing y'all. I'll tell y'all the truth. Again, this is no sponsorship. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. So take this with a grain of salt or take this with 100% honesty, because I'm giving 100% honesty right now. So I saw this shirt, some melanin shirt, and I had to get it. And I'm glad I got it because, again, on the freaking picture, it looked a little sketchy. Things looked like it was just like animated or just like, But it looks really good. I love the material. Super soft. Like, could you guys tell? Like, super soft material. Super stretchy look. See that bounce? Alright. So far, I like that. I'm about to rock this shirt, though. I love the melanin on it. Different shades of blue. All are beautiful, but I'm just saying, of melanin. We gotta amp that up. Feel me? Alright, so what else did I get? This is like a surprise to me. It was really a while ago since I ordered this stuff, and I really forgot a lot of things that I ordered. Shame on me. This is my sauna suit. It goes like this, so it wraps around, so I can sweat like crazy when I'm in the gym. Get that sweat going. I'm ready to hit the gym more and wear that. I'm gonna wear that joint every day. I'm gonna have to wear that every day, because I sweat a lot. Like right now. I'm sweating. I don't know if y'all can tell. But I want to sweat more, Sweat the toxins out. Get that going. This is a two-piece as well. See, it's a two-piece. So this is the top. And then this is the leggings that go with it. I just like this color. But these are super cute. They're stretchy, not too stretchy, but they're stretchy enough they have some give to it. So far, I really cannot lie. Like, Temu is really doing their thing. Like, for real. I'm shocked. Like, I saw people's videos doing it, but you know, I don't trust a lot of things I see. I have to see what it is for real for myself, which is why I took the liberty to purchase a few items. And so far, worth it. But I have to still try the clothes on, But so far, they look great. I would have never knew they were from, not that Temu was a, bad place to get clothes, but, we are all in the space of still trying to discover if it's an actual good site to rely on. So far, reliable source. Now this, I purchased the wrong one. I found that out when I did a research review on it, and I was like, oh, I think I purchased the wrong one. So I don't think I'm going to be able to use this. This is a resistant band. What am I use this for? Not my thighs. Look at this. This ain't going to work. So I'm going to have to give this away or find use for it for something else because it ain't going to work for my thighs. I think not. Next. So I also bought, because actually I've seen in a prior video, I'm trying to learn how to do makeup. Okay, so I purchased these things, right? The beauty blenders, which feels really good, like really good. But I didn't know I ordered these tiny ones. Maybe I missed that. Look at that. Guess you could use them for the corners of the eye or something. And then I also got these. I always wanted to try this. It feels really good, actually. The triangular part where they be baking and all that. I ain't get there yet, but when I get there, I'll get there. But we'll have these for when that moment comes. I bought this. Let's hope this fits perfectly because Lord knows I really wanted one. And the last time I bought one, I'll just say I wanted to I'm like, what? These beads that go around your stomach to keep up with your waist to see if you're gaining weight. Yep, these are the same ones. I don't like the elastic ones. And the ones that I have bought before were elastic just like this. I kind of wanted the ones that weren't elastic. But I guess I have to do what I have to do with. But I'm going to put these on. And I'm going to utilize this to know if I'm gaining weight or if I'm losing weight. Feel me? So, but this feels good generally. It's nice. Can you see? You guys see? But these are nice. They have good stretch. I ain't gonna stretch it too much. I don't want to take a risk. Okay? But y'all get the gist. Ooh, now this is what I was excited for. So, me and AJ, we like to do videos once in a while in the car. Like when we do like food reviews or something. And I ordered this because I had seen a lot of people talk about this. So, I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna try this out and see if it's any good. I'm really curious. Hold on. Do I have to charge this yet? Or can I just turn it? Oh, 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 hold on. Oh, well, y'all see that? No light, no light. I think this was a good investment because I love to do videos. So we're gonna clamp this to our phone so we can vlog and have some good lighting. Don't have to rely just on the sun. Yo, we about to be. Ooh, all right. Let me say this because I'm gonna have to charge this a little later. I want to kill the battery. Next, I got this. Let's see. Okay. I forgot how much it cost. I know it wasn't that much though. But yeah, I got the brush and it comes with like 5 different heads. Y'all can see that. I'm sorry, I don't want it to fall. Yeah. So I'll just hold this one. I'm gonna soak this though. I'm gonna soak the pieces, of course, because I don't know what it's been. But I'm going to soak the pieces and I'm going to use this joint. These are like these ankle bracelets. I love ankle bracelets. I probably can't see it that good. I probably got to open it. Ooh, black and gold. Nice. So this is really cute. I like this. It came with like how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably like 5 pieces. And I know it wasn't that much money. Because I know everything that I bought altogether I think was like 75 and change. $70-something and change. So, that's not bad. I'm here for it. Last but not least, I purchased these. They are wireless microphones. I got 2. So, let's see. I'm really sus about these. I really hope these work. I don't really like to... This better be both of them. hope this is 2 because that's what I tried to order. I don't know. But I'm hoping that this works because I would love for me and AJ to be able to utilize this for videos or something. So, nah. It's 2 wireless microphones. So, I can't wait to try this joint. I was like most excited about the ring light and this literally because this is something that we can use for videos and content. And I love making content. Although, yes, I know we slack a lot, but I still love making content. But yeah, guys, and this is what the mics look like. This is one of the mic. I don't know if it's dead or if it has batteries or charged, I mean. Well, then again, it is big. I don't know. How do you turn this on? Okay, I feel a little bit right now. I feel a little... Oh, the button's right here. Oh, and it's alive. It's not dead. I like that their stuff doesn't come dead. A lot of it is charged already. Pre-charged. May not be full, but it's pre-charged. So you can test it out and see what it's like beforehand, before you actually try to utilize it. I'm here for that. So that's all the things that I have purchased, guys. I am in love. Would I try using Temu again? Yeah. I think it's safe to say that I would. I might get AJ on this too. Alright, guys. I'm hot. I'm hot as heck. I'm hot right now. Like, I'm sweating bullets. Bullets! But anyways, did I show you guys everything? I feel like... Oh, my bad. I was like looking at this like, what is this? This is the spray bottle that I bought for my hair. So instead of constantly doing that, I could do it like 3 times and then it just smished. I know them mist bottles. I needed that. I used to borrow my cousins all the time. And I never bought one for myself. I don't know why. But I did today. I did today. Anyways, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I'm about to start playing with this stuff. I'm about to try on these clothes. I'm about to, you know, let me know in the comments below if y'all think I should try on the clothes and, like, show y'all what these clothes look like and if, you know, the real deal. Because it's one thing to see and touch it, and it's another thing to actually put it on. Feel me? But anyways, guys, I think Temu's actually really dope. Like, for real, I like them. I might try shopping them, but nah, they gonna get my money. I can't go broke on Temu. Because this that type of site where you just be seeing everything $3, $5, and you start adding things into your cart that you realize you done spent 200 and something bucks. You know what I'm saying? You just be spending all your money or your allowances for the children, your whole paycheck, working 40 hours a week. You got nothing to show for it because you're shopping at Temu. You ain't gonna have that. You can't do that. So I'm gonna have to stop here. That ain't gonna really happen. But that's between... Alright? Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.